What is up, everyone? Welcome back. Right now I am fixing up whatever I broke last time when I put my underglow. A lot of you sent me messages asking about why your batteries ran out. Well, I bumped into the same issue. I just haven't had a chance to fix it. But yeah, so here's what I did to fix it. I bought killswitch, you can say. It is I guess you can find it at any Home Depot. I found it at Home Depot. It's called rocker on off. It was like $5 or something like that. But so the way it works is you're going to cut into the underglow current, I guess. You see I have the red one here and I have the ground. I did not touch the ground. So what I did was I cut the I cut the current in half, and this one had 3 pins, which is current, and ground. I think the ground is for the light to go on here, but as you can see here, I turn it on and the underglow is on, and I turn it off and the underglow is off. So technically it doesn't drag any energy, but so it's as simple as that. And then this would not be dragging any energy whatsoever. So I just realized I did do the right type of thing. So I ended up using the actual, I don't know what these are called, but they're like terminals. The terminal I guess the terminal males. No, these are females. And then I actually use the heat gun to shrink the bottom part. I should have taken a video of that. Shrink the bottom part to the cable. So first of all, you cut the cable, then you cut a little bit of the plastic out. You use your pliers for cable. So these are the ones I used. I used the measurement 18 because it was the size of the actual cable. I peeled the cable, then I put those female tabs, and I shrunk the bottom part till it was tight to the actual cable. Of course, I used the pliers to tighten the neck and get the cable in between. And once that was done, I used some regular electrician's tape to just wrap around it. I kind of want to make an incision here in the side, I don't know what it's called, I think side like panel or whatever, and just have it sticking like this. But for the time being, I'm just gonna keep it like that. I mean, it doesn't look that bad. I'm just tucking this. I'm gonna maybe slice these cables out since I don't need it. Oh no, it has the ground, so I shouldn't slice it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna tuck it in here nicely, and then for the time being, I'm just gonna keep the interrupter like this next to the fuse box for now. And then eventually I'm gonna either get this in metal and make an incision and do it, or just cut along here a square, and then you can do that. So as you can see, it's off, on, off, on. So yeah, so that's how it works. Hope this was helpful to you. I know a lot of you have been asking, why does the underglow drain your battery? It's my bad for doing it that way. I know you guys followed me, but for the time being, just get one of those. It's like $5. I guess the female tabs are like, I don't know, you can get in Amazon for like, that whole box that I showed you guys was like $5. So you can just get those and then do that connection. It takes about 5 minutes, so it shouldn't take that long, and then you're ready to go. Your battery's not gonna drain anymore. But yeah, so I gotta charge my battery now because it was running out. So until the next one, thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that button and share. Thank you. Till the next one. Later.